I know, and then so I was thinking if we can go to Seattle. I know, but I want the girls to enjoy that. We go to that the water park in Seattle. Yeah, in Seattle. You might want. Yeah. Well, look at it though. Otherwise, we can do a Christmas meetings in Detroit. Oh wow. Uh-huh. Well, that is flexible. February or March, whichever. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're doing Play-Doh, but maybe we want this gummy instead. Oh, nice. Let me see. You like it? It's so vivid. It depends on how you do it, though. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. Yeah, it looks alive. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. Why? Yeah. Yeah, because what happened is you guys so busy. Yeah, and then now sometimes that's why I gotta put a rain so that you can notice the other things. You don't have to go out the whole time. That's what happened. You guys next time is you guys need to learn how to cook pancake. Hey, what you doing, Gilana? What color are those? Those are gummies. You're playing gummies. Are you cooking? Yeah, you're right, Emily. Where you guys going? No, you don't. It's rainy, anak. Are you gonna play outside only? No, it's kind of cold. We have to put this away then. Just play first. Then we're gonna go when Ate Dong's home. He's not doing it. Daddy said play a little bit. Oh, Julene, where you going? I thought you're playing with adding anak. Oh, that's Paul. Yep.